know about what is topology and type of topology. In type of topology, we will basically know about star topology and where we star topology use and how does it work, and type of star topology. So in the next slide, we know about what is topology. So topology is a physical and logical arrangement of a computer network. Physical arrangement are there are many types, and logical arrangement means configuring of network by using IP address. So in physical topology, there are many types like mesh topology, bus topology, ring topology, star topology, tree topology, hybrid topology, and wireless topology. But today we basically in depth we learn about star topology. So in the next slide, as you all see in this here, in star topology, all nodes are connected to a central device called hub. And as you see in this diagram, this is the central device hub, known as hub, and this all is the PC connected to a central device. In star topology, the mode of transmission is half duplex, means two-way communication. Uses of star topology in our like a home network, we use we connect many devices to our router, and star topology also used in hospital, ATM network, and etc. In the next slide, we know about how does star topology work. As you all know, in star topology, all nodes are connected to a central device known as hub, and hub is responsible to transmit data to another node. So how hub is work? If any node want to send a message to another node, then hub first receive data, first check destination address of data. If destination address of data is matched, then hub accept data, and if destination address of data is not matched, then it rejected. So in the last slide, we know about type of star topology. The type of star topology is based on the hub. There are two types of star topology. First is active star topology, and second is passive star topology. In active star topology, the hub is used to boost the signal to reach their destination properly. And in active star topology, hub is used to regenerate signal. In passive star topology, there is no concept of regenerate, and it cannot boost the signal, and it only used to passive star topology is only used to connect devices. So thank you.